Hey there, fellow anglers. Let's talk fishing bait. Choosing the right bait is super important for a successful fishing trip. It's like using the right key for a lock. Live bait and artificial lures are the two main choices. Both can bring in a great catch, but they work in different ways. What works best for you? That depends on the fish you're after and the fishing spot. Share your experiences with us. We'd love to hear your bait stories and tips. Live bait is exactly what it sounds like, living creatures. These little critters are the secret weapon for many anglers. They bring a touch of nature directly to your fishing line, making the experience more authentic and often more successful. Worms, minnows, and crickets are all popular choices. Each type of live bait has its own unique appeal to different fish species. Worms are versatile and can attract a wide range of fish, while minnows are perfect for targeting larger predators. Why do fish love live bait? It's simple. It's what they eat in their natural environment. The natural scent and movement of live bait are irresistible to fish. The scent, the movement, it all screams food. Live bait mimics the natural prey of fish, making it an effective tool for anglers. Live bait can be super effective, especially for beginners. It increases the chances of catching fish, providing a rewarding experience for those new to the sport. Fish can't resist a juicy worm wriggling on a hook. This makes worms one of the most reliable choices for anglers of all skill levels. But there's a downside. Live bait can be messy and a bit tricky to handle. Handling live bait requires a bit of patience and a willingness to get your hands dirty. You need to keep it alive and kicking, which can be a challenge. Proper storage and care are essential to ensure your live bait remains effective. Plus, some people find it a bit squeamish. The idea of handling live creatures can be uncomfortable for some anglers. Expert tip: match your live bait to the fish you want to catch. Different fish species have different preferences, so selecting the right bait can make a big difference. Artificial lures are designed to mimic the look and movement of real prey. These lures come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, each crafted to attract specific types of fish. The artistry behind these lures is truly remarkable, with some even resembling small works of art. When you see them in action underwater, it's easy to understand why fish find them irresistible. The way they move through the water, glinting and darting, can be mesmerizing. They are made from materials like plastic, metal, and feathers. Each material offers different advantages. Plastic lures are versatile and can be molded into any shape. Metal lures are durable and can create a lot of flash in the water. Feather lures, on the other hand, can mimic the delicate movements of small insects or birds. The great thing about artificial lures is their variety. You've got spinners, spoons, jigs, crankbaits. The list goes on. Each type of lure has its own unique action and appeal. Spinners create a lot of vibration and flash, spoons wobble enticingly, jigs can be bounced along the bottom, and crankbaits dive and wiggle like a fleeing fish. The possibilities are endless, and part of the fun is experimenting to see what works best. Each lure has its own unique action that can tempt different types of fish. Some lures are designed to attract specific species, while others are more versatile and can catch a variety of fish. Artificial lures are also reusable. After a day of fishing, you can clean them up and use them again on your next trip. This makes them a cost-effective option in the long run. Unlike live bait, which is a one-time deal, unless you're really lucky. Live bait can be effective, but it requires constant replenishment and can be messy to handle. They're also easier to store and transport. A compact tackle box filled with a variety of lures can be all you need for a successful fishing trip. No need for a bulky bait bucket. This makes it easier to move around and find the perfect fishing spot without being weighed down. However, artificial lures require a bit more skill to use effectively. It's not just about casting and reeling in. You need to understand how to make the lure behave like real prey. You need to know how to present the lure to the fish in a way that looks natural and enticing. This can take some practice, but it's a skill worth mastering. Expert tip: experiment with different types of lures to see what works best in your fishing spot. Conditions can change, and what works one day might not work the next. So keep an open mind and be ready to switch things up. Section 4. Head-to-head live bait versus artificial lures. So which one is better? Well, it depends. Live bait is a great choice for beginners or when targeting specific fish that are particularly attracted to natural scents and movements. It's also a good option for fishing in calmer waters where the natural movement of the bait is more likely to entice a bite. Artificial lures, on the other hand, are ideal for covering large areas of water quickly. They are also a good choice for catch-and-release fishing, as they are less likely to harm the fish. Section 5. Choosing the right bait. Factors to consider. When deciding between live bait and artificial lures, consider these factors. First, your target fish. Different fish species have different feeding preferences. Do your research. Second, your fishing environment. Is the water calm or choppy? Are there lots of weeds or obstacles? Third, your skill level. Are you a seasoned angler or just starting out? And finally, your personal preference. Some anglers simply prefer the experience of using one type of bait over the other. Section 6. Mastering the art tips for success. No matter which bait you choose, here are some tips for success. First, use the right equipment. Make sure your rod, reel, and line are appropriate for the type of fish you are targeting. Second, learn proper casting techniques. A good cast will help you reach your target area and present your bait effectively. Third, be patient. Fishing takes time and patience. Don't get discouraged if you don't get a bite right away. And lastly, respect the environment. Always dispose of your trash properly and practice catch and release when possible. Section 7. Cast off. Your fishing adventure awaits. Imagine the sun just peeking over the horizon, casting a golden glow on the serene waters of the lake. The air is crisp, filled with the promise of a new day and the excitement of the adventure that lies ahead. You and your fellow anglers are preparing your boats, checking your gear, and sharing stories of past catches. The anticipation is palpable, and you can feel the thrill of the chase building up inside you. So there you have it. The joy of fishing is not just in the catch, but in the entire experience. From the moment you cast your line to the triumphant cheer when you reel in your prize, every second is filled with excitement and satisfaction. It's about the camaraderie with your fellow anglers, the shared moments of triumph, and even the tales of the ones that got away. The battle of the baits rages on. Each angler has their own preference, their own secret weapon. Some swear by the natural appeal of live bait, while others are convinced that artificial lures are the way to go. The choice of bait can be a hot topic of debate, but it's all part of the fun. But the real winner is you, the angler, who gets to enjoy the thrill of the catch. Whether you're fishing alone or with friends, the excitement of feeling that tug on your line is unmatched. It's a moment of pure adrenaline, followed by the satisfaction of a successful catch. Whether you prefer the natural allure of live bait, with its lifelike movement and scent that attracts fish, or the versatility of artificial lures, which come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors to mimic the prey of your target fish, remember that the most important thing is to get out there, have fun, and make memories. Fishing is not just about the catch, it's about the experience, the laughter, and the stories you'll tell for years to come, and enjoy the peace and tranquility of being on the water. There's something incredibly soothing about the gentle lapping of the water against your boat, the rustle of the leaves in the breeze, and the call of the birds overhead. It's a chance to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature. Now go out there and cast off on your next fishing adventure. Embrace the challenge, the excitement, and the joy that comes with every cast. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a beginner, there's always something new to learn and experience. And don't forget to share your experiences with us. Capture those special moments, the big catches, and even the funny mishaps. Share your photos and stories with the fishing community and inspire others to embark on their own fishing adventures. We'd love to hear your stories and tips. Tight lines. Your fishing adventure awaits, and we can't wait to see what you reel in next.